Good morning, Jim. I'm going to do another cold start video on your carburetors, just to double check. I know it's not cold compared to where you are, but for carburetors, we consider this a cold start video. I am yesterday I pumped it once and then did the choke. I think I will try just with choke only and see what happens and see how we start. So you'll be driving when you have the choke partially on as necessary, and then you'll be accelerating like normal. And we go driving off down the street, and as the engine gradually warms up, you will push in the choke, depending on the temperature and how warm the engine has gotten. I think I can safely say, got you a nice set of carburetors.